Hello and welcome to the Stool Collection Kit tutorial video. In your box, you'll receive a set of instructions. You receive an envelope for packaging all of your items. You receive a pregnancy test for females. You'll also receive your stool collection vial as well as a toilet hat. And lastly, you'll receive 2 ice packs. Please read the detailed instructions in order to collect your sample properly. If you can, before collecting your sample, please call the number 352-448-5985 in order to schedule the pickup. The first thing that you want to do is place your ice packs flat in a freezer. Then, in your bathroom, go ahead and clean the area around the toilet. Next, you want to thoroughly wash your shipping container and label tape to seal your container shut. In your package, you'll see your collection container. Next, you want to place the toilet hat under the toilet seat on your toilet. Then you'll collect your sample. In your package, you'll also receive 2 sizes of gloves. So go ahead and put them on in order to collect your sample from the toilet. You'll then unscrew the lid to use the scooping spoon to collect your sample into the collection container. You can finish your collection when you've reached the 30 milliliter line. Then be sure to screw on the cap and the second cap tightly. You can then flush the remainder and dispose of the rest of your sample. Now that you've collected your sample, it's ready to be packaged and picked up, so please fill out the date and time of collection on the envelope. Then you can package your ice pack, the collection vial, and the second ice pack into the envelope carefully. Remove the strip and seal the envelope securely. Don't forget to call in order to schedule your pickup.